Body odor is just an unpleasant scent emanating from your body due to perspiration. Sweating, often known as perspiration, is a natural mechanism that aids in temperature regulation. While perspiration is odorless, bacteria on the skin can use it as a breeding environment and swiftly proliferate. This bacterial development can cause body odor. However, it can be effectively treated with a few natural therapies. Body odor. Top 10 natural cures for body odor. Number 1. Apply lemon juice to your underarms. Lemon has antiseptic agents that stop or slow the growth of microorganisms and antimicrobial agents that kill microorganisms, properties that help get rid of bad body odors and stop bad breath caused by bacteria. The acidic qualities of lemon juice inhibit the formation of dangerous skin germs. Lemon juice not only helps the immune system, but it also gets rid of germs and other harmful substances from the body. You could put half a teaspoon of lemon juice on your armpits to stop sweating and get rid of body odor. Number 2. Fenugreek seeds. The antibacterial and antioxidant qualities of fenugreek seeds can help prevent the spread of bacterial infections and eliminate harmful toxins from the body. Fenugreek seeds can help flush out toxins already present in the body. People say that eating fenugreek seeds can naturally stop body odor by getting rid of the reason for it. You also have the option of drinking tea made from fenugreek. Bring 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds and roughly 1/4 cup of water to a boil. If you drink this tea every morning on an empty stomach first thing in the morning, it will naturally flush out toxins and cut down on bad body odor. Number 3. Tomato juice. Tomato juice is a powerful weapon in the fight against unpleasant body odor. Tomatoes have qualities that make them antibacterial and antiseptic, which means they can help reduce the quantity of germs in the body that are responsible for unpleasant odor. In addition to that, it is useful for reducing excessive perspiration. Tomato juice should be applied to the underarms using a towel that has been soaked in the liquid. Tomato juice has been shown to reduce sweating by bringing down body temperature in certain people. Number 4. Make use of witch hazel as an antiperspirant. Witch hazel is a natural treatment made from the bark and leaves of a plant called Hamamelis virginiana. It has astringent properties, which means it can close up skin pores and reduce how much sweat the body makes. When applied to the underarms, witch hazel works as an antiperspirant, which is a chemical that stops or reduces sweating. This helps get rid of bad body odor. Number 5. Use baking soda to scrub your armpits thoroughly. Baking soda has the ability to absorb moisture from the skin, which in turn helps to reduce body odor. After applying baking soda to your underarms and waiting a few minutes, you should wash it off. Baking soda and cornstarch in equal amounts can serve as a natural deodorant if the 2 ingredients are combined. If you feel any kind of burning sensation while applying baking soda, stop what you're doing and wash it off as soon as possible. Number 6. Apply some apple cider vinegar to your armpits and see if it helps. Apple cider vinegar, also called ACV, is a fermented juice made from crushed apples. It is acidic, which helps get rid of harmful bacteria in the body. To get rid of bacteria and reduce body odor, soak a few cotton balls in apple cider vinegar and then dab the solution on the armpits, feet, and other parts of the body. Number 7. Use coconut oil on the skin. Coconut oil is one of the most powerful and efficient solutions for deodorizing the body. The antimicrobial, a substance that kills or inhibits the growth of germs, properties of coconut oil reduce the growth of odor-causing bacteria. Also, coconut oil helps keep your digestive system healthy, which is a key part of fighting body odor and bad breath, halitosis. When coconut oil is put on the skin or eaten, it stops germs from growing in the body, which stops body odor. Number 8. Cleanse yourself regularly. Take regular baths. Body odor is a highly sensitive topic that can cause problems in your social, cultural, and professional life. Try to take a shower every day. In addition, do not forget to take a shower after working out or a long day at the office. This will aid in keeping your body clean and preventing the growth of bacteria that can cause body odor. Number 9. Consume enough water. Consuming a lot of water is another natural cure that works well for eliminating body odor. Water, being an excellent solvent, helps flush out germs and pathogens that can contribute to bad body odor. And it also eliminates toxins from the body, which it does by acting as a wonderful solvent. In addition, water is the most effective neutralizer, meaning that it stops bacteria from growing in your intestines and keeps you healthy. Number 10. Use neem. Neem is an important herb in Ayurvedic medicine and has a wide variety of therapeutic application. Neem leaves have properties that assist in the eliminating of harmful germs and toxins from your body. These capabilities include antimicrobial, antibacterial, and antiseptic. Neem leaf powder mixed with water can be used to make a paste which can then be applied to the underarms, left there for 15 minutes and then washed off. Neem leaf baths can also be useful. All you need to do is add a few twigs of neem leaves to a tub of warm water and soak. Which of these natural cures for body odor do you like best? Comment with your answer below. For more health tips, please subscribe to Our Daily Health.